Every upgrade, every new gadget leaves something behind. E-waste. India generated over 1.75 million tons of e-waste last year, and that number has doubled in just 5 years. But here's the problem. Over 95% of e-waste is recycled informally. Burnt, dismantled unsafely, and dumped in landfills, releasing deadly toxins like lead, mercury, cadmium into our environment, into our air, our soil, our water, and eventually into us. But what if there was a better way? Because hidden inside this waste is value. E-waste carries precious metals: gold, silver, copper, palladium, etc. Metals that power the tech industry, green energy, and even medical devices. At Pegasus, we recover these materials safely using controlled, advanced processes at our certified recycling facilities. No open burning, no toxic exposure, no environmental damage, just clean extraction, pure recovery, and a new life for metals that would otherwise be lost. This is more than recycling. It's circularity in action, reducing dependence on mining, preserving finite resources, and protecting communities from hazardous waste. Act now. Together, we need government and industry and you for a safer, smarter e-waste solution.